Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research for Amazon FBA business by using the strategy called storefront stalking. So before I start though, I want to again invite you guys to my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to put the link in my description below. And that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, here's the video for today. And again, I'm going to talk about how to do product research using storefront stalking, right? So the first step with the strategy is for you guys to open up a product page of a product that you recently sold, right? So for example, this one is a Maybelline makeup that I've sold in the past. And then from here, right, I would open up Seller Amp. And then from here, I would go to the bottom of Seller Amp. Oh, right there. Oh, sorry guys, it's kind of stuck. I would go to offers. And then from here, I would pick a seller with a rating of 100 or less. And the reason why I'm picking a seller with 100 or less rating is because these sellers are most likely doing resale arbitrage or online arbitrage like us, right? So and the goal of this strategy is to pick a seller doing the same strategy as us, right? And then from here, we are going to stalk their storefront, meaning we're going to go through their products, and we're going to look for the source of their products. So yeah, so this seller, for example, right? This seller seems to sell a lot of Adidas products. So yeah, let's try one of the products that this guy's selling. So let's try this one right here. Actually, no, let me try this one right there. Actually, no. Also, just a tip too. I prefer to look at products that have a maximum cost of at least $10 because I just figured that it's easier to look for products with a max cost of $10 at least because it gives me more margins. So for this instance, I'm going to pick this one, right? And then from here, I would click the Amazon product page and then click on the Google shopping page right here. And then once you're here, I would take the max cost of the product. And then from here, I would go to Google Shopping, right? And then I would narrow down the listing, the search listing, by narrowing down the price. So I usually take the maximum cost of the product, which is like 2025, right? For this example, I'll go to Google Shopping, pick up the price, and then here I would put the maximum cost of 2025, apply it. So it narrows down the search of the product. So this one is an Adidas women's. I think this is the one. Could be the one. I don't know if it's the same one. I don't think it's the same one. Women's Essential. There's Women's Essential. I think this is the one. Oh, it's in Poshmark though. So it's used. You guys see it there, right? It's used. Yeah, I'll skip this one. This one is going to be a struggle. Yeah, it's a bunch of Adidas products. Yeah, I don't really sell Adidas, so I would skip this storefront. I would pick another one. So let's try this one right there, different storefront. Let's see if the products are a little more simple to research. So let's try this one. Cable guys. Okay, let's try searching this one. It's a bunch of clothes. Okay. Yeah, I don't really sell clothes because of the high return rates. Let's see, but we'll try this one right here. So this one is the cable guy store. Okay. So maximum cost is $8.35. So again, I would go here under price and then plug in the maximum cost so I can narrow down the search. And then it's not here. Okay. So keep it moving. Yeah, it's a bunch of clothes. I don't really sell clothes, but it's okay. We can do it. So for example, this one's a Crocs slippers, right? So open up the Amazon listing right there. Look for the exact same product on Google Shopping. So for this one, I'm not going to narrow down the search. I'll just look up the product by its color first, and then yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, we'll pick another storefront. Yeah, when I'm not liking the products, I usually just switch it. So we'll try this one right here. Actually, no, this one. This one, this seller has 101 ratings. So, okay, so this seller also likes to sell clothes, but this one, USB cord, Old Spice deodorant. Let's try this one, Luna Bar. So groceries. Let's see. Okay, so maximum cost for this is $18.27. So again, plug it here, $18.27. So I can narrow down the cost. Man, this thing is not here. Yeah, this one is not here. Skip it. Yeah, hope you guys got some value from the video. And again, I showed you guys how to look for products using manual product research. So again, just to recap, start with picking a listing, right, that you've sold in the past. And then from there, I would go to offers, look for a seller with 100 or less ratings or reviews. And then from there, I would open up that seller store and I would do a reverse search on every single product the seller is selling. So again, if you guys got value from the video, I'm going to invite you guys again to join a free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to put the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.